Hi everyone, my name is Garima Aurora and I work as a senior immigration consultant with UK Visas. The immigration rules are set to allow thousands of eligible care workers to enter the UK under the skilled worker visa route. The changes will come into effect on 15th of February 2022. These measures for care workers are being introduced in response to recommendations by the Migration Advisory Committee, also known as MAC. MAC is an independent body which advises Home Office on migration matters. They have concluded that the care sector is currently under immense pressure, and in order to solve the problem, more care workers need to be eligible to be sponsored. As a response to MAC, the Home Office have decided to include further care worker jobs into under the skilled worker route. But also they have decided to add these new rules under the shortage occupation list. This means from 15th of February, the following roles will be added to not only the shortage occupation list, but also will qualify for the health and care worker visa. The roles are care workers, care assistant, home care assistants, home care workers, and support workers in nursing home. Senior care work that were already eligible to apply for the skilled worker visa will continue to be eligible. Applicants do not need to hold a qualification, as it is the skill level of the job they will be doing which is important. One of the advantages of the jobs being under shortage occupation list is that the applicants can benefit from a lower salary threshold. So under shortage occupation, you need to be paid whichever is higher, either 20,480 per annum, £10, 10 pence an hour, or 80% of the going rate. In relation to care work, the 0.3, the 80% doesn't apply because the salary will be too low. So the two that are important are either the 20,480 per annum or £10, 10 pence an hour. Another advantage of the occupations being under the health and care visa and the shortage occupation list is the application fee is reduced for you and your dependents. So under the health and care visa, if a certificate of sponsorship is issued for less than 3 years, then the fee is £232. If the certificate of sponsorship is issued for more than 3 years, then the fee is £464. Same fee applies for you or your dependents. And under the health and care visas, you are exempt from paying the immigration health surcharge, which is £624 per year. And again, your dependents will also be excluded from paying the immigration health surcharge. You or your company will still need to pay the other charges related to the visa, such as issuing of the certificate of sponsorship, the immigration skills charge, and if you go for optional services like the priority fee at the visa center. You can bring your dependents. So dependents include people who are your spouse, civil partner, unmarried partners whom you have cohabitated with for 2 years, and children under 18. You will need to still meet the other eligibility criteria, such as proving your English proficiency to level B1, obtaining criminal certificates, also obtaining TB certificates depending on the country that you live in. This route will take you to settlement. So once you spend 5 years in the UK under the skilled worker visa route, you'll be eligible for indefinite leave to remain and eventually British citizenship. The things you need to keep in mind is the sponsorship from a licensed employer remains an essential requirement for care workers. So you need to have a job offer from a company, a sponsor that holds a skilled worker sponsorship license. Although home carers are included in the same occupation code, you can only be sponsored if you're working for an organization which is able to meet sponsorship requirements. This means you can't work for private households or private individuals. You can work for a private individual if they're a sole trader and you will be being employed for their business, but you can't work for their household or them individually. I hope you found this update useful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.